Peak Eleanora and Peak Charles, granite inselbergs. Located in the Great Western Woodlands, they are an integral part of the local ecosystem. Providing a source of water via runoff during periods of rain means many more animal and plant species can thrive in their shadows. The orange-hued granite rock faces are a contrast to the surrounding dry heath salt lakes. Comprising primarily of coarse-grained syenite rock, the peaks are reportedly 300 million years old. "35 species of reptiles and up to 59 species of birds call this area home." Peak Charles National Park was established in 1979. Peak Charles was named after Western Australia's governor that served from 1848 to 1855, Charles Fitzgerald. Peak Eleanora was aptly named after his sister, Eleanora Fitzgerald. Peak Charles stands at 651 metres above sea level. Peak Eleanora tops out at 503 metres. The Great Western Woodlands covers an area of close to 16 million hectares, an area larger than England and Wales combined. There are many tracks that pass through near Peak Charles. Early settlers used them to travel from coastal settlements to the prosperous goldfields. Early attempts at establishing agriculture failed due to the lack of water and low nutritional value of local vegetation. This has left the area relatively untouched and naturally preserved, thankfully. Peak Charles also offers some challenging trail climbs for the more adventurous explorers. There are approximately 6 or so designated campsites at the base of Peak Charles, along with some basic amenities. There is no booking system, so first in basis, and the site is not caravan friendly.